Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about how to use AI tool for your personal project. Using AI tool for your personal project can be an exciting way to enhance creativity, productivity, and innovation. Talking about the step-by-step guides that can help you get started. 1. Define your goal. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's an automating task, generating creative content, analyzing data, or even learning something new, all these are things that you can consider to clarify your objective while defining your goal. There are examples like writing a blog or writing a book or a blog post, designing a personal portfolio website, developing app or game, or even improving productivity with AI power tools. 2. Choose the right AI tool. There are a lot of AI tools out there, but you need to select the one that you are familiar with so that it can be fair for you. But if you are new in this and you are going for writing and content creation, you can use ChatGPT because it can help you to generate idea, create article, or write scripts. If you're going for code and development, you can use GitHub Copilot because it can help you to write and debug codes. What if it's your personal productivity? You can use Notion AI to summarize notes and generate content. These are examples of AI tools that you can use if you are new in this. 3. Learn how to use AI tool. There are a lot of ways in which you can learn how to use AI tool. But in today's video, I'm talking about 3 ways. 1. Tutorial. You can look for guides on YouTube, blog posts, or any social media platform. Secondly, courses. You can register or apply for any online courses that offers in-depth training. And thirdly, practice. Experiment with small projects before scaling up. This can help you to know how far you've learned how to use your AI tools on your personal project. 4. Integrate AI into your workflow. You can do this by identifying the parts of your project where AI saves time and add creativity. For example, you can use AI to brainstorm ideas and refine them manually. You can also combine multiples of AI tools. For instance, you can combine ChatGPT for content writing with Grammarly for editing. 5. Test and iterate. Regularly test the output of your AI tools. You also need to refine your prompt or approach to get better results. 6. Stay ethical. Ensure you follow the copyright and privacy rules when using AI-generated content. And you also need to be transparent about using the AI if it is for public or professional purposes. And lastly, showcase your project. You need to share your project with others through your personal website or your social media platform. And you also need to gather feedbacks to refine and improve. See you in my next video. Thank you.